Okay, here's the tour of where we're at right now. Starts with the doorbell. All right, here we go. Front door. The ceiling's gone in. Old light. That's the fire detector, the new light, and we're gonna get a new doorbell that's actually wired underneath that door. Over that door. Dining room, ceiling's done. This is pretty much done. Here's the new kitchen. This is the butler's pantry. Here's the kitchen. It's framed in. Lots of insulation. Counters all along here. Bay window, new door. And then that's the mudroom there. And then this side of this is kind of an area where there's cabinets. I'm standing kind of in the middle of the kitchen right now. That's the other side of the door that we just came in the butler's pantry. And then here's the new hallway into the new living room door. And here we're in the living room. And there's the vent going to the upstairs bedroom there. And then here's the living room wall. So if you go down here, this is the front door again. And then this is the room off to your right. And then eventually the ceiling's going to come out. Okay, now we'll go upstairs. Up here, this is still in progress. There we go. This room's dark right now. Can't see in here. This is the old master bedroom, and it's getting a new window. I'll have to do that later on. All right, then here is the new addition. So you turn here. Here's the doorway. Here is where that closet's going to be. We'll start again with the door closed. There. I wonder if I can turn the light on. I can't. Alright, so then this is the upstairs landing. So here's the 3 upstairs bedrooms and the bathroom. And then here's the new addition doorway, which is open. Then you walk in there, and then there you're in the new hallway. This is the closet. And then this is Amy's closet and office space down towards the end here, where Amy seems to be working on a pile of insulation. So there's that, and then this is the wall where her closet will go along. Now we're leaving that room. We're going into the bathroom. So in this corner there's a shower. In that corner there's a toilet. And then on that end there's a vanity, and underneath that window there's a bathtub. And this is the vent, which is HRV, I think it is, something like that's the term, but it's a heat recovery, so it's always pulling air out of there and pulling the heat and humidity out of it. This is again the end of the hallway. So to reorient you, you're walking down the hallway. This is Amy's office opening. This is the master bedroom. This is the ceiling in this room is got a bit of a pitch to it, so it's going to feel just a little bit bigger. And then there's the drywall ready to go in here. There's a little window there, a nice big window on the end there. So that's the end of that. Now we walk out of here. This is kind of the division between the two houses. That's where the plywood is where the old house ends and where the new house begins. And up there you can kind of see the transition, although it's sealed off because of the plastic right now. But leaving here, right there, going down there, down the stairs again, and there's the door. Actually, the funny thing about it is it looks cleaner right now than when we live in here. There's that, and then when you go down here, this is the basement stairs. A little light in a second. Here, and there, I'll turn this back on again. So that's the staircase we just came down. Then we're turning the corner into this room where the water heater and everything is, and then there's the new furnace. This is the new crawl space where it goes underneath the house, but here, see, nice and clean. It will never be clean again. And then that's the new furnace. That's going to drive the AC and heat to the house. This one's an electric furnace, but it's being fed by this one, which is a gas furnace. And this one will be heating the air with gas unless it's really cold, in which case the electric will kick in. And there's the crawl space that they're running everything through. And there. Alright, so that's that. More information than I think anybody needs. That's lovely, right? It'll never be clean again. And turn the lights off in here. Yeah, there's nothing really left to see, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this episode of This Old House. Please join us again at the Niagara House, where we'll be installing cabinets and wrapping things up in a couple of weeks.